Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal and this is Crystal J's Life Notes. I just uploaded my budget video for my last paycheck in August, and I did say in that video that I would count the cash envelope, my debt cash envelope, of all the cash that I received outside of my paycheck in the month of August, that I would count it and upload it as my next video. So here it is. Today is September 4th. It is Saturday, and I just didn't want any more days to go by without counting it because I already started my September debt envelope. Yeah, I just wanted to count this because I really want to know how much I made, and I actually have some credit card debt that I need to get rid of, especially for my Citi credit card. Right now I owe $115.66, and then my other one is Chase, $134.29. But for that one, it was personal things that I got for myself when I went to Target with a friend a few days ago, so that will be coming out of my All Things Me sinking fund. And then for this one, I went out and celebrated a birthday of a really great friend of mine, and I just wanted to treat her. So yeah, I need to count this so I can pay off that credit card. So let's get to it. All right, let's see. I'm excited. And if you didn't know, I created the debt envelope in order to pay down my student loans. The student loan 0% interest rate was supposed to end at the end of September, so this month, but it got extended to the end of January of next year. So I have some time to save, but for this time I will be putting it towards my credit card. So let's see how much I made. The goal was $123, and we'll see if I made it there. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 10, 15. And I have all these ones. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Wow, $155. I believe this is the most that I've saved in the months that I started this. I believe I started this in June. I started doing this whole debt envelope in June. And then each month after that, I'll just count at the end of the month how much I made. But I think this may be the most I've saved in a month. And then this that I haven't deposited yet is my my Rakuten big fat check. I can't show it because I didn't block out my name or anything. Actually, let me show it. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back, and this is my big fat check from Ebates. $10.84. I haven't deposited yet, so my name isn't written on there yet to be deposited into my account electronically. But yeah, so that's going with the pile. That's going to get deposited all together. So this is $155 plus the $10.84, so $165.84 saved all together. I'm happy. $165, yeah. So what I'm going to do now is add it to my September Excel sheet, since it's going to be used for this month and paying my credit card. And I'll see what else I'll do with the rest of the money. Okay, so now we're looking at my budget sheet for September. This is what it's looking like. I'm not doing a budget video for my first paycheck of September. That's already passed a few days ago. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'll just go over it quickly. My total monthly income is at $343 right now. from my first paycheck and the money that was left over from August that spilled over to September. And then my total monthly expenses is $46, total monthly savings $263, and cash balance is at $34, which is at $29, I believe now, because I paid $5.33 on a credit card in order to get, I believe, points or something for it. I just had to tap to get the points, so I just spent a little money on that. This is the monthly income tab. So my paycheck for the first week of September was $330.09. Yes, even lower than the last paycheck in August. And then money left over from August that spilled over into this month is $13.17. And then we have all the empty sections. So I'm going to update the cash. Even though it's August cash that I saved up, I will put it in this one because I'm going to use it to pay my credit cards. So altogether so far, I'm putting in $165.84. And then from here, we're going to the monthly expenses tab. Let's pay this off. So that's going to be $115.66. Go to the summary. That's 84. So it's 34. Oh, messing up. So it was 34 minus so I have about $50 left. I think I will just pay my other credit card with it, honestly. So let's see. With my credit card, I have $134.29, and like I said, I'm using my All Things Me sinking fund because it is personal items for myself that I bought that I needed, but also includes a Uber ride from last month, and then I took a Uber today coming home from the grocery store, so that was $18. So yeah, I'll just use the rest of the money to go towards this, and then whatever's left I'll take from my All Things Me sinking funds. I'm going to do the math of how much I'll pay from my credit card and then input it in here because I can't really take out or add the money from my sinking funds into this, if that kind of makes sense, because it's not money, it's money coming from my savings account, so I don't want to get that mixed up. So I'll just add the $115.66 plus the $134.29 plus the Uber trip I took today from the grocery store, and that's $18 with the tip, and that's $267.95. Whoa. So we're going to minus all of the cash, all of this. That was $165.84. That leaves me with $102.11 to come from my All Things Me sinking fund. So on here, I'll add $165.84. $165.84, and the rest, the $102.11, will come from my sinking funds. I have to think better or plan better how I can pay or show that I've used my sinking funds to pay debt on my credit card onto my budget sheet. I have to figure out how I'll do that. But for now, that's what it'll show from the cash that I brought in. So let's see the summary. and it's back at $34. But that's not what my account is at, because like I said, I paid $5.33 for a little charge on one of my credit cards to get the promotion rewards or something. I think it was $20. You get $20 or 20% off your order. So the $5.33 plus the $165.84, $171.17. There we go. Okay, $171.17, $171.17 here. Now let's go to the summary. Yes, $29. That is what my account is at right now until next paycheck next week. So sadly, none of this cash is going towards my student loans. But I believe that's okay, because I have this month that I already started saving money, and then I'll count that at the end of September, and then I have October, November, December, and the end of January to save up as much as I can to just throw a chunk at my student loans. Thank you for watching. If you got this far, I know I rambled a little bit, but I just wanted to see how much money I actually saved at the end of August. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a like. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified of my future videos that I upload. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch any of my budget videos or my vlogs. I really appreciate your time, and I'm just really grateful for everyone. So join my note-taking family if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye.